What's up? I'm back. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to use the Anchor Pane layout in JavaFX. So I'm going to cover on how to create the Anchor Pane, how to add nodes inside the Anchor Pane, use the scene builder to create an Anchor Pane easily, and show you how the Anchor Pane works in JavaFX. So the Anchor Pane lays out its children by anchoring the four edges of its children to its own four edges at a specified distance. So the purpose of the anchor pane is for aligning the children and stretching the children if the anchor pane is resized. And let's get started. The first step I'm going to show you is to create the anchor pane, add nodes inside the anchor pane, and show you the anchor pane works. And I'm going to create an anchor pane object here. Anchor pane root. So I have an empty anchor pane here. We can add nodes in the anchor pane by specifying the child nodes inside the parameter, or leaving the anchor pane empty and add the nodes by using the get children and add nodes or add all. All right, and let's import the anchor pane for now. And I'm going to create the scene object for our stage, for our anchor pane, and pass in the root object here, and let's import the scene, and let's set the scene to our stage. So I'm going to call the stage variable that set scene and scene object, and let's create the stage title, stage.set title understanding Anchor Pane layout. And finally, let's show the stage that show. And now we have an empty Anchor Pane. And what I'm going to do now is to add nodes inside the Anchor Pane. So I'm going to show you two options to add nodes inside the Anchor Pane. We can do something like this. Let's say button btn equals new button, and I'm going to name our button as button, and let's import the button. Make sure you select the JavaFX scene control button, not this one, to avoid any errors. Alright, and I'm going to add one more, like let's say label LBL and new, and name our label as learning Anchor Pane, learning the Anchor Pane JavaFX, and let's import, alright, and let's import the label. Make sure you select these. Alright, so to add nodes inside the Anchor Pane, we can use something like this, btn, specify the nodes inside the parameters of the Anchor Pane, and a label. Alright, we can add something like this, or add nodes using the get children root that get children that add node, or use this add all btn comma lbl, something like that. We can add nodes in the Anchor Pane easily. So first I'm going to show you if this works properly. And let's run our application. As you can see, our nodes are overlapping because we have an issue in the Anchor pane. So please keep in mind that using the Anchor pane and adding nodes in the Anchor pane, the nodes are placed at 0, 0 axis in the Anchor pane. So to fix that, we can set the constraints of the Anchor pane. So we can we can type in the Anchor pane that set, let's say top anchor, and the child node, let's say label for now, and double 30, so 0.0. all right, and the other one will be button anchor pane that set bottom anchor btn, and this would be 40, for example. And let's try to run our application to see what that looks like. All right, this is how it looks. And if we are going to resize the anchor pane, the buttons are placed at the bottom side, bottom edge, like this. So if I am going to set the anchor at here, at the right side of the button, we can do something like this. Anchor pane set right btn 40. All right, and let's run our application. Okay, if I'm going to resize the anchor pane, the buttons are placed at the right corner, bottom right corner of the window. If I'm going to add more anchor in the button, for example, Anchor pane that set left anchor btn and another 40, and run, you will see something like this. If I'm going to resize the window, the button itself are resizing also. That's it. So if you are going to create or use the Anchor pane in JavaFX, we can use the scene builder to create the Anchor pane easily in JavaFX. And we can add the Anchor pane here, Anchor pane layout, drag and drop. And let's add nodes inside the Anchor pane. Button, let's say at the center. And to set the anchor, you can go here at the layout tab and click here, click here, click here, click here, whatever you prefer. All right, let's say for example that's it, and preview the window. We can do something like this. Let's say for example this one. Let's deselect this one and preview. That's it. And I hope you learned something new in this tutorial. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share, and I will see you in the next video.